So, Liam, I've been thinking a lot about the damage we're doing to the planet. In a nutshell, humans are making a mess of things. But what do you think is the worst thing we're doing?
Oh, where do I start? Honestly, I think it's got to be the way we're burning fossil fuels. All that driving, flying, and powering our homes. It's pumping so much carbon into the air. Global warming is getting out of control because of it. We're literally in hot water, and most people don't even realize how serious it is.
Yeah, I get that. But I think plastic pollution is just as bad, if not worse. We're drowning the oceans in plastic, and it's like we're treating the earth like one big trash can. Microplastics are everywhere, even in our food and water. That's not just bad for the environment, but for us too. We're really in the weeds with this one.
True, plastic is a huge problem, but fossil fuels are at the core of so many issues. It's not just about warming the planet. It's air pollution, acid rain, and even health problems. For us, we've got to admit it. Burning fossil fuels is causing way more damage in the long run.
I don't know, Liam. I mean, yeah, fossil fuels are bad, but look at how much plastic is out there. It's everywhere. Every time you buy something, it's wrapped in plastic. And then it ends up in the ocean, killing marine life and even messing with entire ecosystems. We're basically choking the planet with plastic. And we're just making more of it every day.
I hear you, but I think deforestation is another huge issue. We're cutting down forests at an insane rate, and that's messing with the climate too. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, and without them, we're losing one of our best tools to fight global warming. Plus, we're destroying habitats for so many species. It's like we're a natural disaster for the planet.
You're right. Deforestation is a nightmare. But don't forget about industrial pollution. Factories pumping out chemicals, dumping waste into rivers, and poisoning the air and water. And let's not even start on the impact of agriculture. All those pesticides and fertilizers are doing serious harm to the environment. We are in hot water with all this stuff.
Yeah, it's like we're wrecking the planet from every angle. But what do you think we can actually do to fix it? I mean, we've got to weather the storm somehow, right?
Well, for starters, we need to cut down on plastic use and start using more sustainable materials. It's not going to solve everything, but it's a start. And we need to push for better recycling programs. People need to be aware that what they're doing has a real impact.
Yeah, and we need to move away from fossil fuels. Renewable energy is the future, and we've got to invest in it now. Solar, wind, whatever it takes. If we keep burning fossil fuels, we're just going to dig ourselves deeper into this mess.
Totally. And companies need to step up too. It's not just about individuals recycling, but corporations are the ones creating most of the pollution. They've got to be held accountable.
I agree, but well, we also need to live our lives. Would you stop buying things because they're made of plastic? Or would you stop traveling by plane or car just to stop pollution?
Good question. I don't know.